back to my big trips. Today we're going ATVing and side-by-siding.
Yes, stay tuned. I forgot my driver's license. I gotta go back inside.
Okay, while Wes gets his driver's license, I will tell you where we're going. We're gonna go on a few trails here near our house. We live near the Owen Sound area, so we're gonna go to Sauble Trails or Sauble Beach or Sauble Falls or something. I will figure it out once Wes lets me know what the trail path is. So I will be bringing my ATV here, our Can-Am Outlander 570 XT, and Wes will be bringing his Maverick SDS Turbo RR, which there's a bunch of videos that we have on our channel. Stay tuned, watch them, like, subscribe for more ATV and adventure videos.
One of those trails with my brother. I don't even know which one it was. I can't remember. I think it was that one. But time to go. The bugs are like super annoying today. So, and it's super hot out. Gotta keep it moving. Go to Sauble Falls. Then we're gonna go down the road to where the gas station is in Sauble Beach. And then we're gonna take all the trails up at Sauble Beach. The other way of Sauble Falls, there is a place called Oliphant, and there's a huge dune, or there's actually several dunes, and they are pretty cool, but we're not checking them out today. You'll have to check them in another video one day. And I came here before and we were trying to look for the trail on the other side, but now I realized maybe it was on this side. So you can only drive up on that one until April 30th, I believe. So we're too late now, but apparently this takes you all the way to Sauble Beach, or to the Lake Huron at least.
Film me jump in? Oh yeah, I'm too hot.
I'm so hot, I'm going in with my shoes. Leather shoes. Oh, I need it to cool down, oh my goodness. So hot. Oh, I do have my keys in my pocket. My keys are probably waterproof. Keys are waterproof. Half the stuff flying.
Did you cool off with your shoes?
That's a good cool down. You just left your keys in your ATV, so we should go back and keep going.
Just went swimming here at Sauble Falls, or a dip in the water. And they're flies. Here, Kula. It's really nice here though. Really, really nice. Very
Huge. Side?
No.
What's that same one again?
How are your boots? That one have water too. I think Levi had that in our trip.
The ones you can just eat.
You gonna eat that?
They say you can eat them. I'll eat them.
Did it break?
The whole thing broke.
Oh.
Did I hit it that hard?
Well, it didn't look like it.
Look at this. The whole thing broke.
That's really bad. Well, yeah, I saw you hit it, and I'm like, oh, maybe you could put it back after.
Well, this on the bottom.
Why would they make it so flimsy? Like, you're
These are all broken. Like it literally
Now what?
pulled out.
It sucks.
Well, I have a tool actually to fix it.